Georgia, a hidden gem nestled between Europe and Asia, offers a diverse landscape, rich history, and warm hospitality. Georgia offers a variety of destinations that cater to different interests. Here are 5 of the best places to visit. 1. Tbilisi, the vibrant capital. Tbilisi, Georgia's capital, is a captivating blend of old and new. With its historic old town, characterized by narrow cobblestone streets, colorful houses, and traditional architecture, it offers a glimpse into the country's rich past. Don't miss the Narikala Fortress, offering panoramic city views, and the sulfur baths, a unique local experience. Must-see attractions. Narikala Fortress. Sulfur Baths. Old Town. Tbilisi Botanical Garden. Bridge of Peace. 2. Borjomi, the Black Sea Gem. Borjomi has transformed into a modern coastal city with a vibrant atmosphere. Enjoy stunning beaches, luxurious hotels, and a lively nightlife. The city's iconic architecture, including the Alphabet Tower and the dancing fountains, is a sight to behold. Must-see attractions: Borjomi Beach, Borjomi Boulevard, Alphabet Tower, dancing fountains, botanical garden. 3. Kazbegi, a mountain paradise. Kazbegi is a nature lover's dream, offering breathtaking mountain scenery, crystal clear lakes, and charming villages. The highlight is the Gurjeti Trinity Church, perched dramatically against the backdrop of Mount Kazbek. Hiking and exploring the surrounding area are popular activities. Must-see attractions: Gurjeti Trinity Church, Stupansminda, Kazbek Mountain, Trueso Valley, Jvari Pass. 4. Kakheti, Georgian wine country. Kakheti is renowned for its wine production, with numerous vineyards and wineries dotting the landscape. Explore charming villages, taste delicious wines, and enjoy the region's warm hospitality. Sinigi, often called the City of Love, is a picturesque town worth visiting. Must-see attractions: Sinigi. Bod Monastery. Alaverdi Cathedral. Wine tasting tours. Gremi Fortress. 5. Moncada, the spiritual heart of Georgia. Moncada, Georgia's ancient capital, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This holy city is home to several important religious sites, including Sveti Koveli Cathedral and Jvari Monastery, both offering stunning architecture and historical significance. Must-see attractions: Sveti Koveli Cathedral. Jvari Monastery. Santavro Monastery. Uplistsikhe Cave Town.